And anything that happens inside this while statement, and the way we tell it to be inside is to use some spaces in Python. And we'll say while counter is less than 1,000, print hello world from Ryan. So we have, in addition to this message, which is called a string, we have a number here, and we have the first example of what's called a variable. So just like in math, where we could say x equals 5, we'll set our counter to 0 initially. And then unlike math, we're going to update this counter and say counter equals counter plus 1. Now really this equal sign in Python